This is a very quick tutorial to show you how to send emails using the KvCORE CRM. So when you log on to your KvCORE CRM, notice at the very top, you're going to get multiple actions here on the navigation bar. So what we want to do, if we want to send an email to a specific person, we can go to the Quick Actions button. It's the only blue button up top as of the recording today. So once you click on Quick Actions, you'll notice the very last one will be Send Email. Okay, so that's what we're going to click on. Once you click on Send Email, it's pretty self-explanatory. You'll be able to type the name of the contact you wish to send an email to. I'm going to type Amy here just as an example. Once you type the person's name, you'll be able to see a drop down with their full name or just their name. You can go ahead and click on that, and then you'll know they've been registered to receive this email when it's highlighted as such. You'll see the person's name in this gray box with the X next to it. So that tells us we've selected this person and they will be the recipient of this email. After that, you can type in your CC email or BCC. Make sure to type in a subject and then go ahead and type in your email right here. Okay. You also have the option to add your email signature at the bottom here by making sure this is on, and KvCORE will be sure to add that on for you. But once all that's done, you are able to click send, and then your email will be sent out to this person. Now, if we want to send out an email to a lot of people at once, there's a different method we can utilize to make that happen. So we can go ahead and open up the Smart CRM tab right here on the left-hand side. And if you don't see this menu section, you might just need to click on the 3 bars right here to expand the menu. And then you can access the Smart CRM tab right here. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to load up the CRM, all of the people that I have on my CRM database. And there's multiple ways we can select people and send them an email all at once. You can just go ahead and scroll through all of these contacts and just click the little box next to them for the people you would want to send this email to, okay? So I just checked a few people. What I can do after selecting all those contacts, I can click on the mass email button right here up top next to the search bar. Okay, that's one way to do it. Another way to do it would be to go to your filters tab on the left-hand side right here, and you can actually filter through all of the contacts in your database and find specific groups of people. Okay, and they're broken down into multiple different categories. You can choose every person in your sphere of influence and maybe new leads and clients, or just people who are in your sphere. You have multiple filter options by clicking on these drop downs and choosing your preferences. So after you've selected exactly the profile for the people you're looking for, you can go ahead and click on Apply Filters. Once you click Apply Filters, you'll notice on the right-hand side here, the database is going to refresh and will only show you people that you are filtering for. So for me, it's only people in my sphere of influence. So notice how I only see sphere right here. Okay. Now I can go through this list of people and select the ones I want to send this to. Or if I know I want to send this to only the people in my sphere of influence, I can just go ahead and choose this box right here next to first name, and that will select every single person on this page. Okay. So if you have more than 250 contacts, you might have to go to the next page and then select those as well. But once you check the box next to first name, that will select every person on that page. And then you can proceed to click on mass email and then go ahead and type in your subject, type your email once more, and then click the green send button right here. Okay. So if there's any problems or some of the people can't receive the email, you will see right here at the top of the email composer why that may be. Okay. It'll tell you things like people might be unsubscribed or people don't have a correct email address. But one thing I do want to note, if you are sending an email to multiple people, you might want to utilize the merge tags. Okay. They're not scary. They're very easy to use. Merge tags are basically little pieces of code within your email that tell the system to replace those pieces of code with the appropriate information. So a great example for this is if you're sending an email to a lot of people like we're doing right now, you obviously want to address each person by their own name. Okay, not everyone's name is going to be John or Juliet. So you would want to use a merge tag to let KvCORE know to replace all the names with the correct ones before sending it out. And the way we would do that is, let's say I typed hello, for example, I can click on the little sun icon right here, which will open up a list of tags we can use. So if I wanted to add the first name, I would go to lead and then click on first name. And then after that, it's going to add this merge tag. So when the email gets sent out, this piece of code will be replaced with the person's actual name. And you have multiple options, multiple different tags you can utilize here. But that is all. That's how you send an email to a specific person or a group of people in your system. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.